So hello guys, welcome back to Furjack Gaming. I'm your host Furjack. So in this video, make a open source software to Freeware. So this is the code. I will show you the example of that Python code. Okay. So if you need, actually this is the copy of that software, which is the Windows Defender controller by the sodom.org. So I remade it using Python and kivymd. So very useful and very informative. So there will be no commentary on the coding section, but yeah, I will explain what are all this and everything. Okay, so I'll teach you everything. So first let's code our Python, and then let's actually code the interface. Okay, so let's start. This is the code we are gonna write. So actually I am gonna write this code only. Okay, first let's code the how the software works, and then let's code the designing file. Let's start. So guys, the coding is finished. So if I run this, it will be a empty screen because we have not made the this interface, right? So the interface.kv is actually, I'll write it soon. So here is the interface.kv file. So we have to write this only, create the interface.kv, and then let's run our app. So So okay guys, this is our code. So here you can see I have written all the codes, and here also the code is fully written. So now let's run it. Okay, here is yeah, I forgot to. Okay guys, so let's run this code. So you have to run this code as an administrator to actually work. So okay guys, so I forgot this one. Okay, so the images have been not pulled up over here. So okay, here are the images. So I'll copy I will go to the image folder. So where is the reveal in file explorer, and I'll choose all the files. So cut, and then go to the documents, and then I'll go over here where it is, the example folder. Here it is. So I'll paste it, and now I will open this folder. So if I run this one now, it should work. Okay, so here you can see this is the refresh button, and this is the disable, enable, and here is our menu. Okay, so let's run it as administrator and see whether it works or not. So I'll open the cmd. Oh sorry, I had to run it as administrator, right? So I'll open the cmd and run as administrator, and let's go to the directory cd store slash users slash slash documents slash example. So here we go, and now let's run the app as administrator. Okay, py app.py. So here you go. So now I can enable the antivirus and see it is also refreshing with the image, and if I disable it also changes with the image, and if I press this one it will open the Windows Defender, and if I go over here and press this one it will open the settings page. So it is not currently available, so it is not opening. So if it's available it will open. So if I press refresh, this refresh button will work. So I also added the tooltip with it, and this software is openly available in GitHub, so I'll update it. So thanks for watching, and if you have any other freewares like this, you can comment and say me. I'll sure make it a video on it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.